Welcome to SAT Climb. In 1885, the town blankets first library. Builds will build, built. Most students guess by which one sounds smooth, but you don't have to guess. The sentence hands you the answer if you know where to look. Here's the whole approach. The sentence has a timeline, and the timeline picks the tense. Two things reveal it. First, time markers. Words like in 1885, currently, since, or by next year. Second, the tense of the other verbs already in the sentence. So don't ask what sounds right. Find the time anchor, then make your verb match it. Back to our sentence. In 1885, the town blankets first library. Find the anchor, in 1885. That's a specific finished moment in the past, so the verb has to be past. Builds is present, wrong. Will build is future, wrong. Has built, present perfect, is for an unspecified time or something still going, not a fixed year like this. The one that matches a completed past moment is simple past. Built. The date did the work for you. Second signal. Sometimes there's no date, just other verbs. Each spring the river rises, floods the low fields, and blank by July. Look at the verbs already there. Rises, floods, both present tense describing a repeating pattern. The blank is the third item in that series, so it must match. Recedes. If you picked receded, past tense, you'd break the parallel series right in the middle of the sentence. Consistency wins. Your turn. Since the factory opened in 2010, it blank more than 1 million cars. Pause and think about the frame. Since a past starting point, running all the way up to now. That specific frame, since then until now, is exactly what present perfect is for, has produced. Simple past, produced, would slam the door shut in the past, but the cars are still being made. The word since is your signal, present perfect. Three traps. 1. Choosing by sound. The smooth-sounding option is the bait. Find the time marker and let it decide. 2. Shifting tense inside one sentence. If the other verbs are present, yours is present too. Keep the series consistent. 3. Missing present perfect. When you see since or over the past few years, the action reaches up to now, and that's present perfect, not simple past. Read the timeline, then choose. Verb-tense solved. Find the time anchor, match your verb to it, and keep every verb in the sentence consistent. When you see since, reach for present perfect. Start practicing free at satclimb.com. Your SAT is closer than you think.